Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and in order to do that we have to tap on this square icon in this panel. In this navigation panel. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the recent, so all previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or two of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you want to close all of them, just tap on clear all. And as you can see we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.